Couple of questions on this Epstein files issue. Some people had messaged me that I'm deeply saddened by listening to this Epstein files issue. Some people also messaged me that I see Modi's name in that, and also Rahul Gandhi has spoken accusing Modi in parliament. Is it, if it is true, like some ex major or ex general, he has written in his book, the unpublished book about Rajnath Singh, about Amit Shah, about Modi, on what they did or what wrong they did to our country, etc., etc. So if it is true, I'm very much saddened. I'm a big fan of Modi. By listening to these news that Modi is connected to Epstein files, and also in general about Epstein files, I'm very much saddened. I do not know what to do. Can you please give some Vedic advices? Actually, in fact, I also saw that press release by Rahul Gandhi, the interview by Rahul Gandhi. I also saw that news about Modi in the Epstein files. First of all, let us chant one Veda mantra from Samaveda. Then we'll try to see some solutions from Paramatma himself. Om. This is a mantra. Thanks to my Acharya ji. This mantra we put daily ahutis. Really beautiful Veda mantra. Om Srushtayagne Navasyame Stomasya Veera Vishpate Nimayinastapasa Rakshasodha Swaha. If possible, try to add this Veda mantra in your daily Havan. Very, very important mantra for protection. See, Srushta Yagne Navasyame, we are praying to Paramatma, and in this mantra there is a Artha Shlesh Alankar. Artha Shlesh Alankar means the same mantra can be utilized in another possibility also. Like we are praying in this mantra, we can pray to Paramatma, and Paramatma says, instead of praying to me, go and pray to the ruler of the country. Because Agane in this mantra also means Tejasvi Paramatma, also means Tejasvi Raja, means Prime Minister. But in our case, not only in our country, every country, we don't have any Tejasvi Prime Minister. We don't have Tejasvi presidents, where a public can go and take shelter and then do prarthana, thereby they will listen to our prarthana. No, impossible today. Nobody is a Ved Vidwan. No, Tejasvi here means Ved Vidwan. So we have to go to Paramatma only. And in this case, everybody is worried if Modi is involved in Epstein files, if Modi is involved in this, whatever is mentioned by that army major, etc. I am deeply saddened because I voted for Modi. And I don't have any other option also. I cannot vote for Rahul Gandhi also, because we know Rahul Gandhi, in any day he cannot be better than Modi. We know that Congress cannot be better than BJP is at least okay little bit. Both the parties are corrupt, but at least one person is little less corrupt, other person is more corrupt. That we all know. So in this case, Paramatma says, the main point is, how do we protect our peace of mind? If you go into the news daily again and again, you see many Epstein files video. Yesterday I saw one video. Unfortunately, it came in I was also seeing Epstein files after this question came. So when I was scrolling, one shorts came where that lady is shouting, I think in Brazilian language, Mexican language or Spanish, I do not know. She is shouting. She is a young female. She was also in that Epstein gathering. Maybe she was also a prostitute, I don't know. So she came out and was shouting and crying in front of security and camera. Old video. That these people are real demons. We cannot imagine. These people are eating human body, human being. She is shouting. And later on the reel said that she is dead, and her whereabouts is not known. So Epstein files, these people are Rakshas only. You saw Bill Gates interview, Rakshas. So Paramatma se prarthana hai, Mayinah Rakshasah Nidah. Paramatma says in this mantra, Srushti means Shigra ही मैं सुनता हूँ तुम्हारी प्रार्थना को. When you do prarthana, Paramatma says in this mantra, I will listen to that prarthana immediately. Sorry, I have to change my legs. So when you listen to, when you pray to me with Atma Samarpan Bhavana, when you pray to me with Niswarth Bhavana, when you pray to me with the utmost love and respect towards me, Paramatma says, Srushti, मैं immediately शीघ्र ही उसको सुनता हूँ. Paramatma listens to our prayer. And what is the prayer? And we are praying to Paramatma, Mayinah Rakshasah Nidah. ये जो Mayinah, मायावी है, demons, these demons, Epsteins and other people who are doing this crime, heinous things, raping the minor girls, spending time with the prostitutes or whatever it is, Chal Kapati hai. These people, Rakshas, demons, these are real Rakshas. And Rakshas ko Paramatma Nidah hai, Paramatma usko basma kar do. We are praying to Paramatma to immediately basma karne ke liye. Basma means destroy them. We don't want such people in our universe. But how it is possible? I don't want such people in my place. How it is possible? The only way it is possible is by adopting dharma. Everybody should follow Vedic dharma. If everybody follows Vedic dharma, there is no Rakshas in this world. Otherwise, everyday Rakshas count is increasing. Every child taking birth is become, today one child has taken birth. That child is Masum, he or she is very innocent. But after 30 years, the same child will become a demon, Rakshas, right? Why? Because we are not giving him or her the Veda Vidya. So here we are praying to Paramatma, hey Paramatma, aap veer ho, aap parakramashali ho. See, we do not understand the power of Paramatma. Like I uploaded one video where that Acharya told a very beautiful, another Arya Samaj Acharya, he told a very beautiful example. World's most dangerous prisons, if you go and see, the jailer will be so strict. He will give severe punishment to the people. He will give severe punishment, means a lot of work, and then he will be very strict. You cannot deviate his discipline. He will be in the world's most dangerous prisons. Paramatma is crore times more strict and severe than those jailers. But we never understand Paramatma's parakram. That's why we are doing sins, right? Why I am doing sins? Even after following Vedas, I do sins every day. You do sins every day, even after you listen Vedas, even after you follow Vedas. Why? Because we do not understand he is Veer. We do not understand Paramatma is Parakramshali. वो छोड़ेगा नहीं है, वो भस्म कर देगा. But we don't understand it. But Paramatma says, he is Veer and he is Vishpati. He is the one who is Malik of this universe. He palan karne wala. He protects everybody. He protects the people who are Sajjan. He does not protect Durjan Vyakti. Hey Paramatma, hey Tejasvi, hey Agni Tejasvi Paramatma, you are Vishpati, you are Veer, you are Paramatma, you are Parakramashali. Me Navasya Stomasya. Please, we are praying in the mantra to destroy these demons, but how? Me Navasya Stomasya. मेरे स्तोमस्य, मेरे स्तुति वचन को, नवस्य मेरे वेद मंत्र की स्तुति को, listen to my स्तुति, listen to my प्रार्थना, listen to my prayer, and स्तोमस्य, thereby you give me inner strength, you give me सद्गुणों की सेना, मेरे अंदर सद्विचार उत्पन्न हो. By listening to Epstein files, I am getting saddened. By listening to that Ghaziabad suicide, I am getting saddened, deeply saddened. I saw one video, Desh Rangila. हर जगह में गंदगी है इंडिया में. Wherever you go, people are spitting, people are urinating in the public, people are doing toilets in the water bodies, people are throwing kachra in the greeneries, polluting, burning, everything is happening. And then they put a song, Desh Rangila Rangila, यही मेरा महान देश है, देखो कैसा है. ऐसा ही हो गया, right? So why I told that, ये सब हम when we see this, our vichar gets disturbed, right? Every time when we see such videos, we get disturbed. And when you go on the road also, you see such gandagi, you get disturbed, right? So number one is we must try not to pollute the environment. We must try to protect as much as possible. Number two, we are praying to Paramatma, मेरे अंदर सद्गुण उत्पन्न करो, मेरे अंदर उत्तम विचार उत्पन्न करो. वो सेना है. That is the सेना which will protect us from hearing, after hearing the news of Epstein, after hearing the link of Modi and Epstein, or Modi and other whatever problem. I do not. I hope and pray that Modi ji is saaf, is pure. But I do not know. There is no smoke without a fire. So we do not know, right? So we are praying to Paramatma that अगर ऐसा कोई है, मेरे अंदर सद्गुणों के सेना उत्पन्न करो. गिव मी शुद्ध विचार, गिव मी अक्लिष्ट वृत्ति है परमात्मा. And also बाह्य शत्रु को, the other people who are one is inner shatru, which is killing me, which is giving me depression, which is giving me sadness, which is giving me worrying. उसको परमात्मा सद्गुणों से he will destroy it. सद्गुणों से he will destroy those which are. And other externally also, when you go to Paramatma, and when we select such a leader who is a Ved Vidwan, unfortunately not possible, but let's hope Modi is led. Of course, we know Modi is much, much better than Rahul Gandhi. So, Paramatma says, बाह्य शत्रु को परमात्मा योद्धाओं की सेना के तेज से. India now is in a difficult situation. On one side, the US is bombarding with Epstein mails and then making agreements. On the other side, so many things are happening. Internally also, members are divided. All these things are happening in our country, right? So, बाह्य शत्रु को कैसा भस्म करें? So, योद्धा से possible है. योद्धा does not only mean the army people. योद्धा also means people like us who are well-wishers of our country. We are also योद्धा. We cannot go and fight with the government, but we have the power of voting to correct it in the next term. We have that power in us. That is also Shakti for us, right? So by using that power, Paramatma wo Shanti Shakti de hame. We must pray to Paramatma that mujhe bhi yodha bana do, that I will not do adharma, I will not take bribe, I will not tell lies, I will not do chalkapat, I will not become rakshas, I will not do demonic karma. So hum bhi yodha ban jayenge. So when we become yodha externally and internally, then ye sare cheez, everything will get destroyed day by day, one by one. And Paramatma is listening to the prayer. Paramatma will definitely help us. But we must have patience. Number one, we must have patience. And number two, we must focus on prachar of Vedic Dharma. Nobody sees my channel. Why? Uninterested. Number two, even the people who see my channel will not forward my videos to anybody. Why? Because you feel, number one, the other person who is receiving the message, what he will think about me, this thinking will be there within you. Number two, you will think that not you, some people have this thing that this knowledge should be only with me, and it's better the other person does not receive this knowledge, because he might become more intelligent than me by seeing these videos. This also is a selfish motive, right? Thereby, day by day, our country is getting destroyed. So my only appeal to you is, please spread. I'm not saying that I'm a Ved Vidwan. I'm just giving you the knowledge of Vedas to you. I'm saying, go to Veda Acharyas. Spread the knowledge of the Vedas slowly. Okay, by spreading my video, somebody will see the video. Okay, this guy is speaking logical. So where can I learn Vedas? Where is a real Acharya? Okay, I'm telling myself, I'm not an Acharya. So that person cannot learn Vedas from me. But at least he will search an Acharya, go somewhere. Okay, here is a yogi. Can I go to that Acharya to listen Vedas? Then he will listen Vedas, he will bring his family. She will listen Vedas, she will bring her children. So slowly, everybody will become dharmic and we all will become yodha. Antrik yodha, antrik shakti Paramatma denge, bhaya shakti. When we all become Vedic dharma, Vedic followers, then Paramatma will immediately start protecting us. There won't be any Epstein or any this kind of, desh droh baat nahi ho sakta. Very important Veda mantra, very important message. I hope you will help, you will support to promote the Vedic Dharma to the public. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.